This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Word is installed and signed and so documents sync. Once done, grant OneDrive permission. Autosave prevents data loss. Tap the plus button to create a blank doc or choose a template if you want predefined layout and styles. You should see the ribbon and formatting bar. Use pinch gestures to zoom and the on-screen keyboard to type. This gets you into editing immediately while preserving cloud backups for later. You now focus on structuring and styling the document. Select text and use the home ribbon to apply fonts, sizes, and lists because consistent formatting aids readability. Once content exists, tap Insert to add images, tables, or headers. Drag handles to resize and maintain layout. Use Review to enable track changes and add comments if you're collaborating. This keeps edits transparent. Make sure Auto Fit and Layout options are set so content flows correctly across screen rotations. You finish by saving and exporting. Tap Share to send a docx or PDF, selecting OneDrive or on my iPad depending on needs. Before exporting, run spelling and grammar and accessibility checks to catch issues. Accept or reject track changes to finalize content. If sync or saving fails, sign out of OneDrive, force quit Word, and sign back in. This often restores connection. If problems persist, ensure iPad iOS is current and you have sufficient storage before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.